More? Okay. What animal should we do?
Crocodile.
A crocodile? Ready? Row.
Crocodile.
Huh?
Crocodile.
Purple crocodile?
Yeah.
Okay. You row your boat.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank that.
If you see a
Crocodile.
purple crocodile, don't forget to scream.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Wow, that's going to be so beautiful. And
Mommy.
what?
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy? Mommy doesn't have a costume.
Oh.
Oh, but that's okay. And when we go to people's houses and ask them for candy, what are we going to say?
Take a deep.
Yeah, what's the whole song? Trick or treat.
Last week.
What's the rest?
Take a deep. Last week.
Give me something.
Yes, I eat.
Yay! And how old are you going to be?
5.
No, you know how old you're going to be. 2.
Two.
How many is 2?
Here.
Can you do purple?
Papa.
Purple. And brown?
Like that.
Yes. How do you say thirsty? Thirsty. And how do you say mommy?
Daddy.
Daddy's up here. Mommy's here, right?
Mommy's here.
Yeah. And what's baby?
Here.
Baby, yeah. You rocking the baby? Are you going to be a big sister?
Yeah.
Are you going to have a little baby?
Yeah.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Baby.
It's a baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Baby. I got baby.
Babe, where's the baby? In Mommy's belly?
Here.
Yeah. In here? Is the baby in Elena's belly?
Yeah.
No.
Mommy's belly.
Mommy's belly, right.
Here.
Yeah. Do you want to say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Or you want to sing another song? You want to sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
ECB.
You could do it.
ABC. Something that.
You want to sing the ABCs?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Boat.
Okay, we can sing that. You ready? What animal are we going to sing? A
Crocodile.
crocodile? Okay, ready?
This crocodile.
A green crocodile?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Are you going to row your boat? Okay, ready? Go. Row, row.
Wow.
Boat. Gently.
Daisy, darling.
If you see a,
Crocodile.
don't forget to scream.
Ah!
Good job. High five. Fist pound. Boom. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See you later.
See you later.
Love you.
Love you.
And happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're a ham tonight. Are you a ham?
Yum.
Yeah, say I'm a ham.
Uh-huh.
You should be a ham for Halloween.
Minnie Mouse.
You're going to be Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Are you going to wear Minnie Mouse ears?
Yeah.
Yeah, and a pretty dress.
Yeah.
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 Yes, that's where you wear a dress.
Sticker.
A sticker?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's Minnie Mouse's husband?
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, and who's her friend? Who's Minnie Mouse's friend? Is it Daisy?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it Goofy?
No.
Yeah. Is it Maribel?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who else is Minnie Mouse's friend? Pluto?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. But I think we had enough. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Say love you.
Bye.